The tropical rainforest biome. The tropical rainforest is one of Earth's wet biomes. It is green and full of life. More than 15 million kinds of plants and animals may live in its rivers, mountains, and valleys. Tropical rainforests lie by the equator. Half of them belong to Latin America. This includes the Amazon rainforest, the world's largest. More rainforests once existed on Earth, but loggers have cut many down for wood and farmland. The climate. All tropical rainforests have a warm climate. Temperatures stay around 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 27 degrees Celsius throughout the year. Every day has 12 hours of daylight, but trees shade the ground from sunlight. Everything stays wet in the rainforest. The air is humid and dew collects on plants. Precipitation falls on most days. More than 100 inches, 254 centimeters of rain is possible in a year. The plants. The top of a rainforest is called the canopy. Trees stretch 100 feet, 30 meters or more into the sky. Emergence reach even higher. The understory and the forest floor are the middle and bottom layers. Shorter trees and plants have adapted to survive with less light and a lot of water. Some plants, like vines, climb trees to find sunlight. Ferns and orchids grow on tree trunks and branches to get sun. Many plants hold rainwater with their waxy leaves. Plants with above-ground roots collect wetness from the air. The animals. In rainforests, many animals use camouflage to blend in with trees and flowers. Both hunters and the hunted want to stay hidden. Poisonous animals are often bright red or yellow. Their colors warn others to stay away. Most rainforest animals live in the canopy. Its full trees provide food and shelter. Tree dwellers have strong legs to climb, jump, or hang from branches. Their loud voices call to one another. Slowly, 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 said the sloth. Slowly, slowly, slowly. A sloth crawled along a branch of a tree. Slowly, slowly, slowly. The sloth ate a leaf. Slowly, slowly, slowly. The sloth fell asleep. Slowly, slowly, slowly. The sloth woke up. slowly, slowly, slowly. The sloth hung upside down in the tree. All night long, the sloth hung upside down in the tree. Even when it rained, the sloth hung upside down in the tree. "Why are you so slow?" the howler monkey asked one day. But the sloth didn't answer. "Why are you so quiet?" the caiman asked. But the sloth didn't answer. "Why are you so boring?" the anteater asked. But the sloth didn't answer. "Tell me," said the jaguar, "why are you so lazy?" The sloth thought and thought and thought for a long, long, long time. Finally, the sloth replied, "Slow, quiet, boring, lackadaisical, dawdle, dilly-dally, unflappable, languid, stoic, impassive, sluggish, lethargic, placid, calm, mellow, laid back, slothful. I am relaxed and tranquil, and I like to live in peace. But I am not lazy. Then the sloth yawned and said, "That's just how I am. I like to do things slowly, slowly, slowly." A Rainforest Habitat by Molly Aloian and Bobby Kalman. What is a habitat? A habitat is a place in nature. Plants live in habitats. Animals live in habitats too. Some animals make homes in habitats. Living and non-living things. There are living things in habitats. Plants and animals are living things. There are also non-living things in habitats. Rocks, water, and dirt are non-living things. Everything they need. Plants and animals need air, water, and food to stay alive. Plants and animals find the things they need in their habitats. This caiman needs water. It swims and finds food in the water. Staying alive. This squirrel monkey lives in a habitat. Everything the monkey needs to stay alive is in its habitat. The monkey has found a piece of fruit to eat. What is a rainforest? A rainforest is a habitat. There are many trees in a rainforest. Rainforests are in parts of the world that get a lot of rain. Rain helps trees grow. Rainforest trees grow to be very tall. The amazing Amazon. This book is about the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is in South America. Many plants and animals live in this rainforest. This iguana lives in the Amazon rainforest. Rainforest weather. The Amazon rainforest is near the equator. The equator is an imaginary line around the center of the earth. The weather near the equator is hot all year. The weather is hot in the Amazon rainforest. This baby ocelot is hot. It is cooling off in some shade. Pouring rain. It rains almost every day in the Amazon rainforest. When it rains, parts of the rainforest become covered in water. The bottoms of these trees are covered in water. Rainforest plants. Many trees grow in the Amazon rainforest. Rainforest trees are very tall. Some are as tall as apartment buildings. Other plants grow in the Amazon rainforest too. Some of these plants are bushes. Others are vines. Flowers and fruit. Many of the plants in the Amazon rainforest have flowers. The flowers are colorful. Some plants also have fruit. Mango trees have both flowers and fruit. Making food. Living things need food to stay alive. Plants make their own food. They make food from sunlight, air, and water. Making food from sunlight, air, and water is called photosynthesis. Taking it all in. A plant gets sunlight through its leaves. It also gets air through its leaves. A plant gets water through its roots. A plant uses sunlight, air, and water to make food. Rainforest animals. These animals live in the Amazon rainforest. They are able to live in this hot, wet habitat. The animals know how to find food. They also know how to find homes. Finding food. Animals must eat to stay alive. Some animals eat only plants. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores. This macaw is a herbivore. It eats nuts and seeds. Eating animals. Other animals are carnivores. Carnivores eat animals. This jaguar is a carnivore. It eats fish, frogs, and turtles. Eating both. Some animals are omnivores. Omnivores eat both plants and animals. This monkey is an omnivore. It eats fruit and insects. Getting energy. All living things need energy. They need energy to grow and to move. Energy comes from sunlight. Plants get energy from sunlight. Animals cannot get energy from sunlight. They get energy by eating other living things. A capybara is a herbivore. It gets energy by eating grass. Eating animals. Carnivores get energy by eating other animals. This puma is a carnivore. It gets energy by eating capybaras. In the trees. Many rainforest animals live in trees. Some animals swing from tree to tree. This woolly monkey swings from tree to tree. It uses its long arms and strong hands to swing, flying high. Some rainforest animals fly. Birds and bats are animals that fly. They flap their strong wings. They fly from tree to tree looking for food. This short-tailed bat is flying around looking for food. On the forest floor. Some rainforest animals live on the ground. The ground in the rainforest is called the forest floor. This millipede has many legs. It uses its legs to walk on the forest floor. Life on the bottom. This Brazilian tapir lives on the forest floor. It rests under trees during the day. At night, it walks around looking for food to eat. The tapir eats fruit, leaves, stems, and other plant parts. In water. A huge river flows through the Amazon rainforest. The river is called the Amazon River. Many animals live in this river. They find food in the river too. Amazonian manatees and tucusi dolphins live in the Amazon River. They are both good swimmers. Staying safe. Rainforest animals must stay safe from the animals that hunt them. They stay safe in different ways. Some rainforest animals live high in the trees to stay safe. Animals that live on the forest floor cannot reach the animals in the trees. This sloth lives high in the tree. Hard to see. These moths have brown bodies. Their bodies are shaped like leaves. There are brown leaves on the forest floor. The moths are safe because they look like the leaves. Other animals may not notice the moths on the forest floor. Making homes. Some animals make homes in the Amazon rainforest. They stay safe inside their homes. These ants made a home under the ground. They are carrying small pieces of leaves into their home. Nests in trees. Rainforest birds make homes called nests. They make nests in the trees. They use plant parts to make their nests. These jabiru storks made a nest in a tall tree. The end. Orangutan, a day in the rainforest canopy. Orangutan wakes up high in a wet tree. He stayed warm and dry with mother all night, thanks to the leafy roof of their nest. Fun fact, orangutans make a sturdy nest of leaves and branches for nighttime sleep, and sometimes a simpler one for a midday nap. Now orangutan bounces out into the soft rain and gets soaked, perfect for slurping water from leaves and from his long red hair. He is mother's first child, and she will wait at least 8 years between babies. Fun fact, young orangutans have the longest childhoods of the great apes. They stay with their mothers until they are about 7 years old. There's not enough food for 2 adults in orangutan's home range, so father lives in his own separate area. Today, father swoops into mother's home range, looking for more food. His booming roar vibrates through the canopy, warning other adult males to stay away. Orangutan and mother chitter when they hear him. Fun fact, males have big cheek pads made of fat on the sides of their faces to make the roaring sound even louder. Time to eat. Orangutan munches his favorite fruit, a green, spiky, and very smelly durian. Fun fact, orangutans are mainly frugivores but eat insects, very small animals, leaves, or bark when they can't find enough fruit. Mother finds a wild mango while father gobbles a rambutan. Something moves in the canopy below. Reticulated python with a loud squeak, orangutan scurries up the tree. His long fingers grasp the thick vines. His big toes wrap around branches like thumbs. Higher and higher he climbs with mother close behind. Reticulated python misses his meal and slithers away. Fun fact, orangutans are born with a natural fear of snakes. A python can swallow a very small orangutan whole. Father leaves mother's home range in search of more food for his huge body. Orangutan chitters as father swings away. Fun fact, orangutans spend over half their day looking for food. Orangutan climbs down to the forest floor with mother. He doesn't swim, but he loves splashing and wading in the river, and sometimes he hangs from a vine to drink. Fun fact, orangutans are arboreal and spend 95% of their time in the canopy and 5% on the ground. Orangutan scoops termites out of a log and licks them off his hand. Sun bear eats termites too. He snakes his super long tongue into a log and sweeps them out. Pygmy elephant feasts on tree bark, then gets a drink. Splash! Proboscis monkey belly flops into the water and swims to the riverbank. A shadow sneaks in the bushes. Clouded leopard. Orangutan has wandered too far from mother. With a loud squeak, he sprints up the tree to her. They huddle together in their hiding place until clouded leopard is gone. Fun fact, clouded leopards are too small to catch adult orangutans, but they can snatch up a young one on the ground when the adults are far enough away. Safe again, orangutan and mother make a nest out of leaves and branches for a nap. Fun fact, nest building is a very important skill. Mother orangutans teach their young, and it takes years of practice to get it right. Orangutan scrambles hand over hand to a fig tree. Hornbill crams dozen of figs into his big bill. Orangutan wants figs too. He squeaks loudly to scare Hornbill away, but it doesn't work. Hornbill ignores him and grabs more figs. Fun fact, hornbills eat about 200 figs at a time. They throw up all the seeds, which helps plant more trees. Squeaking and chittering, orangutan swings to a durian fruit tree. Proboscis monkey and his troop crouch in the branches, eating the leaves. But it's the fruit and insects orangutan wants. Orangutan shakes the branch and makes angry shrieks. It works. The monkeys scurry away. Orangutan fills his belly with fruit and some caterpillars. Fun fact, proboscis monkeys have to eat lots and lots of leaves to get enough food. All this eating gives them pot bellies. Night is falling fast. Orangutan and mother hurry to make a new nest in a different tree. This one needs a leafy roof to protect them from the rain. Finally, Orangutan crawls in with his mother for a good night's sleep. He'll be ready to jump into a new day tomorrow. Pop up in the jungle. It's so noisy in the jungle. Squawk, screeches Parrot as he flies high into the sky. Ooh-wee, chants Monkey as she swings from tree to tree. Snap, snaps Crocodile as he creeps along the river. Sss, hisses Snake as he slithers through the grass. Grrr, snarls Tiger as she pounces out at you.